Welcome to Consites.com, everything app for construction. In this video, we are going to show you all the features we are working on and have completed in last 2 weeks. So, the first feature is that whenever a supervisor or any manager tries to create an intent, the material name is now a drop-down menu. It can be added easily. If there are any random items, you can delete them. And if you want to create something like steel pipe and cement, maybe you can add all those materials and select from that list. This will help prevent spelling errors. Now, it will not happen that one manager selects cement as CMENT and another provider writes CAMENT or something similar. The spelling mismatch will be reduced. The only thing is that everything needs to be added in Add Material, or a supervisor or manager can add it. So, this is the update. The second update is whenever we select this option, select and choose a delivery date, and then click on Add More to check your material rights. Suppose someone is working on the creating intent and they receive a phone call. After the call ends and they close the pop-up, it used to disappear automatically. That was the issue. Now, even if the pop-up goes away, and if they select the right project, in this case, the project was supposed to be selected, but we just forgot. If the right position is selected now, then the materials will automatically appear. So let us just show you one thing. From here, because it is a silent one, and we go here and add some details. And the material is not an intent. We create an intent here, and we submit it. This is the feature we added in the last update, the previous update, which we just mentioned to you. There may be some content available with this one. The required date is the 28th, right? Now, we click on Add More, okay? Then we cut it. Then we don't know. See? The data persists. So, no matter how much material they have written, it will remain here. Only here. Even if they cut the call and open the pop-up again, the previous data will still be there. They can also clear this data if they do not want it. If they click on Discard, the previously saved data will be deleted. So, that was the second update. The third update is for intent requests. Earlier, the pending count was not shown. It just said, okay, 6 intents are there, but 3 intents are still pending. So, we see that 3 are pending and 3 are approved. Now, it will show us how many items are pending. This way, we can focus only on those. The fourth update is that we have slightly changed the intent request table. Before, everything was in one view and we had to scroll down. Now, we have made it as simple as possible. After the update, suppose there is any intent. Let's suppose only one intent is here. It takes... Okay. Let's see. Okay. Everything is selected. We want to show you. Now, if we select one supplier, it will not automatically select all other suppliers, but we are updating it. Select. So let's go into it. See, if we select Telesny here, then only this will be selected. No other cell will be selected. And if we change one and select a supplier in this column, a different supplier, then this will not change automatically. Main. Earlier, we had a situation where when we selected a supplier, every other row would automatically select that same supplier. This was a hassle for many of our customers, so we changed it. Now, if we select a supplier, only that row will have the selected supplier. We need to select a different supplier for each row if needed. Now, let's talk about the next change, which is the attendance system. Earlier, users were not able to record attendance properly. There was an issue with the time. For example, if we tried to enter 9:38 p.m., that would be the end time. The good news is, now we can select any time we want. If we need to record attendance, we can go into the Project and Employees section. If the employees are there, we can now mark them as present. So, they are marked as present. If this is marked as presented today, we can change the time. Let's suppose the exit time will be the one we are selecting right now, then we can update it. This will mark the exit time. Previously, marking the exit time would cause an issue, but we have fixed that now. There is also a persistent feature. If we are an admin or the owner, we will receive notifications here. For example, if someone has marked 2 attendances and we just marked 1 a minute ago, we can see it here. It will show notifications about what actions have happened on this portal by anyone below their designation. For example, the owner will see all actions done by admin, supervisor, and manager. The admin will see all actions done by manager and supervisor. So, the owner can see when attendance has been marked and other distinct items. After that, we can mark it as read and it will be cleared. Now, we have added one more feature. Users can currently log in using their email ID, but we have also added the option where users can now log in with either email or phone. We have entered a phone number and we can still log in. This is for the highly requested feature that we have implemented. Now, when a supervisor or manager requests an intent for one item or more, the intent will be sent to this page as well as by email. This way, the owner or admin will know that the entire intent has arrived. They will need to take certain actions, such as creating a purchase order or making a reduction. Previously, when users forgot their password or created a new account, the email might have gone to spam. It was sent from Gmail on our side, but we have fixed this. Now, it will go from our official channel, like info@consites.com, and it will not land in spam. Users will see the email directly. These are some of the feature updates we have worked on in the last 2 weeks. We will continue to work on more features and will keep you updated in our weekly videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, please reach out to us. Thanks for watching this update video.